Ang signature campaign po natin is aimed at ensuring or helping the effort to asking the Supreme Court of the Philippines with respect to the habeas corpus pending before the court, and these signatures will be attached to the request in relation doon sa pagpanawagan nating mapauwi na si PRRD or si former President Rodrigo Roa Duterte dito sa Pilipinas, mga kababayan. So, if you want to be part of this historical movement of ensuring that we make known to the public make known to the public the historical approach to asking a judicial body to perform their duty of ensuring that they rendered or adjudicate on a motion filed before the court. Habeas corpus petition has been pending or is still pending before the court.
Shout out us, reaction vlog, YouTube channel, please like and subscribe. Mabuhay kayo.
Ano daw, the benefit of those who are, the benefit of those who are signing?
Oh yeah, so you are making a history because we're going to attach the documents to the Supreme Court petition. So we are urging the Supreme Court to act on the petitions that the Duterte siblings have filed before them, because up until now they're not doing anything from it. So maybe because of the attachments, because of the signature, wherein they can see that there are really a number of people, real voters, warm bodies who are doing it in behalf of PRRD, then I think they would be able to act upon it. Yeah.
Tapos ka nang elucidate why we cannot do it online.
Kasi there are scams online.
We cannot do it online because it is something that should be done. Kasi we want to validate all the signatures. So ngayon, if it is done online, we do not have the ability to verify signature na legit siya. Kasi magiging digital copy lang siya. Hindi natin alam, baka AI generated signature and things like that. And we want we want to...
Hi, ma. Wait lang. Come on.
We want... Hi! Ang ganda-ganda naman. Hello po. Hello.
Thank you so much.
Oo.
1, 2, 3.
Ayun. So anyway yun, so we want to remove that doubt. So that is why what we're doing right now, we want everyone who's going to do the campaign to do a live stream. So that makikita nyo talaga, parang ganito, makikita nyo talaga yung mga tao na ayan, what we want is for the real people to show up and sign. Ayan. So ayan na yung mga nakapila ngayon. What we want them to do is to show up and sign para talagang yung authenticity ng mga tao na move forward who want this for action from the Supreme Court. Legit, tunay na tao, warm bodies. Ayan. Okay? So yun po yun. Ayan.
Okay. Well, stretching kasi gina. Si Cyron.
Hello, good evening, good morning na guys. Wait lang ha, kadali lang guys. Kadali lang yun.
Tarong nga pag-chika ka ng eloquence mga anak yun.
Most eloquent this is. Hello, good morning everyone. Shout out to everyone. Elvira, thank you so much for sending stars. Anika Kathy, Teresita, ayan, Nene. So we're doing here the signature campaign for PRRD for his release kasi ipapasa namin to sa Supreme Court. Ayan, so for those who didn't know me, I'm Inday Mori and I'm with Cyron, guys.
Ganda niya, Inday Mori.
Uy! Ano yung instruction?
In support to former President former President Rodrigo Roa Duterte back to the Philippines through the Supreme Court. Yung mga petition na pending before the court na hanggang ngayon hindi pa pala desisyon ng Supreme Court. So this is one
for habeas corpus.
For the habeas corpus. So if you sign po, then you will receive this limited edition.
Alay, sorry, hala, nalubot. Ay, charing. Ay, basta subaba.
Ang signature campaign po natin is aimed at ensuring or helping the effort to asking the Supreme Court of the Philippines with respect to the habeas corpus pending before the court, and these signatures will be attached to the request in relation doon sa pagpanawagan nating mapauwi na si PRRD or si former President Rodrigo Roa Duterte dito sa Pilipinas, mga kababayan. So, if you want to be part of this historical movement of ensuring that we make known to the public make known to the public the historical approach to asking a judicial body to perform their duty of ensuring that they rendered or adjudicate on a motion filed before the court. Habeas corpus petition has been pending or is still pending before the court.
And our race logistics run by.
Grabe ha, para-paraan. So guys, ang dami po mga tao dito guys. Oh. Ma'am, ito na po ma'am. Congratulations ma'am in advance. Hello po sir, ano pong gusto mo? Hindi makaabot gari ako. Hindi makaabot gari ka kung charging. Ma'am, ano? Oh, pwede lang.
Number lang ang kailangan
namin. T-shirt. T-shirt, ma'am, hair. Oo.
Just in case lang, dumating kayo, okay? And then, wala
T-shirt mo ka to, sir.
meron po tayong race bib training in one of our booths. Secretariat. Hanapin natin yung secretariat booth.
Dami.
Meron yung ating secretariat.
Free size lang
para ibigay po ang kanilang race kits yung mga hindi pa naka-claim. Okay? It is very important po that you wear your race kits during your run. Okay? Importante po yun because that will serve as your identification. Nakasama kayo, kasali kayo officially in this event, the Duterte Run Leg 2.
Thank you po.
Yung mga wala pong race bibs, we will be pulling you out. We have marshals along the route.
Thank you, ma'am.
And they are on the lookout for runners without race
Ang
bibs.
bilis nila guys
And if you are
magsulat.
facing with somebody who's not registered, you might be disqualified. We will also pull out bandit runners. Yung mga bandit runners na hindi nakapag-register.
Sige, kita na. Ayaw, kitanta ka. Ay, kung jumajumakan eh. Kasi gusto niyo, ma'am, t-shirt?
Take your time, hydrate, stretch, roll around, give some friends, or join in our signature campaign for This time for you guys to friends, yung mga na-scam din nyo na sumali for the 10K.
Ma'am, kanang or lang mo siya, ma'am.
At hindi nag-show up yung mga nag-scam sa inyo. Ikaw lang yung
Ay,
nagpakita.
gusto niyo mo, ma'am.
Tawagan na ang inyong mga kaibigan if they're not
Share po,
here
ma'am.
yet. It's still
Ma'am, ito pa po, ma'am, oh.
3:32 in the morning. We will start our 10-day program at exactly 4 o'clock. 4:30 is the cut time for our 10K Warriors. One reminder of what we are joining for a signature campaign. It's important that you show your valid ID. Whatever valid ID you may have, yun po yung kailangan natin i-register sa ating signature campaign.
Or phone number is okay.
SSS, GSIS.
Kung may copy kayo, better. Pa-ready na lang po ng ID number.
Saan yun?
This is our signature campaign drive to bring home that ID.
Sige.
I hope you're feeling excited for another run. The second run of the Philippine run.
Thank you po. Thank you po. Thank you po. T-shirt po, gusto nyo? T-shirt, of course po.